So remaining last few 50 seconds, 47, 46, 45, 44, 42, and somewhat. So this video is recorded from my old phone Redmi 1S, so video quality is not that good, but who does care about quality? Content matters. So it's 98%, 20, 80 GB is somewhat good. So Max Prime 1 5 beta update has been available now in Gmail. So many of them has already tried to download them, but due to some technical problems or that you can say download complete. So here is a link which I got, but all of the link has been down. So there is a solution. First, let's visit this group Asus Max Prime 1. Here there is a link given by Chandrasekhar. Explore Gizmo. I'll put this link in the description. So let's check what is the status of battery. Battery is about 16%. So okay, see the download completed. It's around 1.51 GB and the battery is still low. So what I will do is that first you have to do one thing. Put all the there is CDM folder which I prefer because it can resume the download if it gets fail. So that's it. You have to put this in the root folder. Sorry, this my old phone has not good capability of focusing. So that's it. And what I just have to do is reboot my phone. So for the update I will put this phone in the charging so it will not lose the failure because of low battery. Again I'm sorry for that because this camera has somewhat not good amount of quality. So currently this is the last boot of my experiment with Oreo. So let me just type out the password. Sorry. So there it has got system update detected. Such a wonderful thing which everyone wants since of this last 6 months. That's something good. And okay, let me start the update with connecting the phone with charger. Just wait for a while. So once again we are back on, and let me click. Must be greater than 20%. Charging your device is recommended. Do you want to proceed? Is my battery is okay? Battery is 15%. I think should wait or let it do. Let it do because our charger is well efficient to charge the device with using it. And 8020 processing the bit package. 32, 33, 36, 41, 43, 45, 47, and it's getting a little bit faster as of now. Still it's processing. Sorry for the quality of videos, not that great because of my old phone Redmi 1S, So now it will boot back to the recovery. I guess things have been perfect. So the one thing I want to share with you that you must have to update this phone to 340 build before updating to Pi, because there may be some issues regarding of people are saying that they were not able to update because of they haven't flashed 340. They have a 339 build of Oreo and they just tried to update, so update gives error 3. So I will put the link for that 340 build 2, which is available in description in soon future. So installing system image. Sorry, this phone is not able to focus things properly. Okay, who does care about that? It's progressing very well. That you can compare the time required to finish the update. I will keep this video on. Sorry, I'm not that accurate YouTubers, but this may be the first video for Android Pie in Max Pro M1 since maybe. So people are saying that Pi update is somewhat better in M1 compared to M2, because they have given Pi gestures and so many things which were not available in Max Pro M2 beta update. I will review all things in this video, so this might help you. So keep watching. This video will be a bit longer than usual, but hope you will watch it till the end. So there takes some time. You can see that in the free time you can skip the video or subscribe my channel, comment, anything you can do. So installing Pi and it's about to finish. I guess a little bit of left. If I could focus this thing properly, I can show that. So just wait for a while. There is a lot of problem with. So for your information, we just have waited about 6 months before this testing. So it was about when I bought this phone was just September, and in October they said that they are giving testing the Android Pie. So updating is almost finished, and now device will boot. Okay, booted. So are you guys waiting for that surprise? Asus with no boot animation has any change, you know. Still, hey, I wish there I haven't made any kind of problem, because it seems like boot loop. I guess I have done things properly, as I have exams in next week. I'm not good at commenting, but just wait for a while and enjoy the wait. I'm testing this build and showing you people that should you install this build or not. It's taking time for the first boot. So you can skip this video, but I cannot. That's why I'm giving a pause. My this old camera doesn't support a pause button, so if I just click anything, it will stop the video. And I have to do so many things later on, merging the video, editing the video. I have no times. I have exams still, so just skip this video. Fast forward or wait for a while, or you can compare the time required for the first boot at here. Sorry. So Zenfone, Asus Zenfone Max Prime 1. My version is for 6 GB RAM. So one thing I want to share that MI2 is just a good phone because of its price has been down about 12,000. So it is the better than. Problem was that my old phone was storage is out of storage. So video has been paused and it's Android Pie. So you can see that the magic of Android Pie. Pie. So we have waited a lot for this Pie. Now click quickly. I will type the password. And system update successful. It says that. And my personal stuff. Congratulations, guys. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got the Pie. And things are working. Oops. So everything is working in my case. Test one thing. Okay. So okay, that is also working. And this is my custom launcher. I use my. I paid for that Nova launcher. This is pro version, so I will keep using that. But one thing I want to show you is that I was using this fluid gaseous, which I will disable uh, because we want yes, Pi buttons is there, so I will enable this Pi gestures. It seems things got somewhat bigger. So system and gestures, swipe up to home. Okay, so this is, and there is a solution for uh, this circle is that you have to do one thing which I just found on the XDA website telegram group. Let me show that fix. So you have to go in the apps and default in that assistant. You have to disable this assistant app. Okay, back, none, and things got fixed. So okay, animation are not that smooth. Okay, there is a problem. So I have to disable my Nova launcher as a default, which I was using. I paid launcher. So kill it. No, kill this not working. So I have to go back to the stock launcher to see that whether it works or not. Quick step. Launcher has been changed. Yeah, got it. So that's it for today, guys. It's 1 and 25 a.m. and I am just testing for you guys. So you can like my channel, subscribe my channel, for new updates. This is my channel. uh, it's quite slow, so sorry. Yeah, and internet is working, although this is the most stable room, we can say. And something fluid, that's great. Such a fluid room, which I love. So in the end, I want to say that you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. So in the last, I want to show that you can drag right to quickly switch apps. Yes, that is working. Okay. Yeah, it works. Not in the case of left. Nope. I think I haven't opened so many apps. There are only two apps, so let us open a few more apps. So now can I do that? Yes, I can do that, and it's a bit faster than Oreo. So, and fastest app opening time